Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Ready to turn your garage into a mini factory? Today, we're diving into 10 amazing low-cost micro-factory machines from China. These machines can help you launch a profitable small-scale manufacturing business right from your own home. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur because things are about to get productive up in here. Alright, first up we've got something for the artists out there. The dreamers, the people who love the feel of clay between their fingers, but maybe don't love getting their hands dirty. It's a 3D clay printer. This baby uses special clay to create pottery and artistic pieces. Think mugs, plates, vases, heck, maybe even a tiny clay model of your neighbor's lawnmower. This machine takes 3D modeling and extrudes clay layer by layer. This thing can pump out about 50 pottery items per day. You could be selling those babies on Etsy for a tidy profit. The special clay paste costs about $1 per kilogram, and this thing gobbles down about 25 kilograms a day. You can sell those beautiful machine-crafted pieces for like $100 each, easy, and you will make easy $500 a day. Next up, we've got something for all you fashionistas out there, or maybe just people who like warm feet. It's the automated sock knitting machine. This little beauty churns out socks faster than you can say Argyle. Forget boring old white socks, this machine lets you create socks with personality. Stripes, polka dots, little pictures of your face, the possibilities are endless. You can make 300 to 600 pairs of socks a day. Yarn costs anywhere from $4 to $10 per kilogram, and you'll need about 10 to 15 kilograms a day to keep this machine humming. You can sell those socks for $3 to $5 a pair. You're looking at a daily profit of $400 to $800, and the best part is, you don't even have to know how to knit. Alright entrepreneurs, are you ready to get personal? Because this next machine is all about customization. It's the custom embroidery machine, and it's here to make your clothing, hats, and fabric dreams come true. Think about it. Personalized t-shirts, hats with your company logo, even little embroidered pictures of your cat on, well, everything. You'll need to use digitized embroidery designs, but trust me, it's easier than it sounds. The raw materials for this one are pretty simple. Thread and fabric or clothing blanks. A single item only costs about $1 to $3 to produce, but you can sell them for a whole lot more. This machine can pump out 100 to 200 embroidered items a day, so you're looking at a daily profit of $800 to $2,000. Okay folks, get ready to unleash your inner artist or supervillain, no judgment here, because this next machine is seriously cool. It's the laser engraver, and it can engrave on wood, acrylic, glass, leather, you name it. This thing can probably etch on it. This machine uses a focused laser to create intricate designs and engravings. Wood and acrylic blanks only cost about $1 to $5 per item, and when you can sell those engraved masterpieces for $20 to $50 a pop, you're looking at some serious profit. This machine can produce 100 to 200 items a day, so you're talking about a daily revenue of $2,000 to $4,000. After you factor in the cost of materials, which is about $200 a day, you're still left with a cool $1,500 to $3,500 profit. Alright folks, it's time to spice things up with a machine that's near and dear to my heart and my stomach. It's the automatic tortilla maker. This beauty mixes the dough, presses it into perfect circles, and cooks those tortillas to perfection. The raw materials are dirt cheap. Flour, water, a little bit of oil. We're talking pennies per tortilla. You can crank out a whopping 1,000 tortillas a day with this machine. You can sell these tortillas for 50 cents to $1 each, or even package them up and sell them in bulk. That's a potential daily revenue of $1,000. And with the raw materials only costing about $30 a day, you're looking at a daily profit of $900 to $950. Get ready to get healthy, folks, because this next machine is for all you health nuts out there. Whether you're into fitness, clean eating, or just love the idea of making your own cooking oil, this is for you. It's the oil press machine, and it's here to revolutionize the way you think about cooking oil. Say goodbye to store-bought oils and hello to fresh, homemade goodness. This machine cold presses seeds to extract natural oils like soybean, sesame, and sunflower oil. The process is simple, efficient, and retains all the nutrients. It's healthier, it's tastier, and it's way more fun than just buying a bottle at the store. Imagine the satisfaction of using oil you pressed yourself. The raw materials like soybeans, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds can cost around $300 per day. But the investment is worth it. You can sell those organic cold-pressed oils for a premium price. We're talking $15 per liter. People are willing to pay for quality. This machine can produce 20 to 30 liters of oil per day, so you're looking at a daily revenue of around $450. That's a significant return. After you factor in the cost of the raw materials, you're still left with a tidy profit of $150 to $200 per day. It's a great way to start a small business or supplement your income. All right, inventors, get ready to step into the future because this next machine is straight out of a science fiction movie. It's the desktop vacuum former, and it lets you heat plastic sheets and mold them around objects to create all sorts of cool things. The raw materials are pretty simple too. Just PET or ABS plastic sheets, which cost about $1 to $3 per sheet. You can sell those molded creations for a pretty penny. This machine can produce 100 to 200 molded pieces per day, so you're looking at a potential profit of $300 to $1,000 per day. Calling all foodies. If you love noodles, then this next machine is going to be your new best friend. This next machine is for you, introducing the ultimate noodle making machine. It's the noodle making machine, and it's here to satisfy your carb cravings. Imagine fresh noodles at your fingertips. This beauty mixes the dough, cuts it into perfect noodles, and extrudes them right before your eyes. It's like having a mini noodle factory in your kitchen. You can make all sorts of noodles with this machine: spaghetti, fettuccine, ramen, udon, even those fancy pants pappardelle noodles. The possibilities are endless. The raw materials are dirt cheap. Flour, water, a pinch of salt. That's all you need to get started. We're talking about 20 cents per kilogram of noodles. That's incredibly cost-effective. This machine can pump out 100 to 150 kilograms of noodles per day. Perfect for small businesses or noodle enthusiasts. You can sell those fresh noodles for $3 to $5 per kilogram to restaurants, grocery stores, or local markets, or even directly to your noodle-loving neighbors. Everyone loves fresh homemade noodles. That's a potential daily revenue of $500. Imagine the profit margins. And with the raw materials only costing about $30 a day, the math is simple. You're looking at a profit of $400 to $450 per day. That's a fantastic return on investment. Okay, this next one might not sound as exciting as a tortilla maker or a laser engraver, but trust me, it's a money maker. It's the envelope making machine, and it's here to make your snail mail dreams come true. This machine cuts and folds paper into custom-sized envelopes. The raw material is just paper, and when you buy in bulk, it's practically free. We're talking 1 to 2 cents per envelope, and this machine can crank out 5,000 to 10,000 envelopes per day. You can sell those custom envelopes for 5 to 10 cents each, especially if you're fulfilling bulk orders. That's a potential daily revenue of $300 to $800. All right, entrepreneurs, last but not least, we've got a machine that's a real crowd pleaser. It's the heat press machine, and it lets you transfer custom prints onto t-shirts, mugs, hats, and so much more. This versatile machine is a game changer for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their products. You name it, you can probably heat press it. From apparel to accessories, the possibilities are endless. The raw materials are pretty affordable too, making it a cost-effective option for small businesses. You'll need t-shirts, mugs, hats, or whatever you're planning to personalize, along with transfer paper and ink. These items are easy to source and won't break the bank. The cost per item is usually around $3 to $5, depending on the quality of the materials you choose. This low cost allows for a high profit margin. But here's where it gets good. You can sell those personalized items for $10 to $25 a pop. This means a significant markup and great returns. With this machine pumping out 100 to 200 items per day, you're looking at a daily revenue of $2,000 to $3,000. Imagine the potential for your business. Even after factoring in the cost of materials, you're still left with a very respectable profit of $1,000 to $2,000 per day. This makes the heat press machine an invaluable asset for any entrepreneur. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible machines that can turn your small-scale manufacturing dreams into reality. Which machine are you most excited about? The 3D clay printer? The automated sock knitting machine? Or maybe you're ready to start pressing your own tortillas? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Happy manufacturing!